Hello, this is Julie. I'd like to talk today about how to add a picture to letters. We're doing this in the InVue software. So the first thing I'll do is go to File, Import, Image, and select the picture that I would like to use. These are pictures of my most recent granddaughter, and her name is Emily. So what I'm going to do is make her picture a little bigger, and I would like to put her picture inside of her name, Emily. So I'll click on the T, and I'd like to use the font Baby Cruffy. It's a nice cute baby font, and it's fat, and it's important to have a fat font if you want to include a picture in it. So I clicked my mouse on the screen. I'm going to type in capital letters Emily, and I'm going to put it over the picture where I would like to have the part of the picture included in her name, and I'm just going to drag it out. Now whatever is black on the screen is going to be what's filled with the picture, and I want to get most of the details of her picture within the name. So first thing I'm going to do is go to Object, Text Manipulation, and Convert to Path, so that these will be actual shapes rather than letters. And I'm going to arrow over to move some of these letters closer so that they're overlapping, and so that I can get the most out of most picture within the words. And since the letters are overlapping, I can weld them together. And now I will break apart the group, ungroup, by clicking on the red X, and we can go to View, excuse me, to see that the letters are all welded together. It's all one shape and they're not grouped. Grouped images won't work, so we want to make sure that we're not using grouped images. Now what I'm going to do is select that name, ungroup it, and go to Object, Image Crop, and Custom Path. Now if you've done it right, then you should be able to have the text selected. Go to Object, Image Crop, and Custom Path. Click on the text, and it should be picking up the picture. Now if it doesn't, make sure that your picture is ungrouped, and then as soon as you click on Custom Path, the picture will be included in your text. And now we have the picture inside of her name. You notice that it would not work as long as the shapes were grouped. And part of the issue was that there was an inside shape here, and that inside shape between the Y here is what was preventing it from actually picking up. So inside spaces are really important not to have. Now let's suppose that we wanted to do the word baby. We type in caps so we get the biggest space here. And you notice that there are inside shapes inside the B, and the A. So what we want to do here, first of all, is get the text over our picture the way we want it. You can make the letters any size you want. pick up any of the shape that you want. Now on this one, instead of welding, what I'm going to do is convert the text to path, object, text manipulation, convert to path, so that each one of these are a shape. And then I need to break each letter by clicking on the X above it. And since I'm not going to weld these, I have to do one letter at a time. So I'm going to click just on the outside of the B, go to Object, Image Crop, Custom Path. Then I'll click on the A, Object, Image Crop, Custom Path. Click on the B, Object, Image Crop, Custom Path. And the Y, Object, Image Crop, Custom Path. Now I can select everything, including the insides, and I can click on the little blue plus icon and I can drag this away, and now I have the entire word baby. Now if I don't want the black but I want those insides to be the picture, I can click on that red X to make it blue, and I can delete those inside shapes and I can see more of the picture, and yet I can tell which letters they are. In this manner, you don't have to have letters overlapping or welding. I hope that's helpful.